And this is day 5. This is where we're going to write our newspaper report all about the skeletons. We're going to write a newspaper report. So you're going to need to read your ideas from yesterday first, please. I want you to fix any mistakes. You can use some of the ideas for this report, and then when you've finished, read it with someone to check it makes sense. I've put a list from the classroom in your packs there. Here is the text that we examined. So we're going to write something like this. I did talk to you about the columns going down. We're just going to write it going across, make it a little bit easier. And you're going to have to mention who did something, where and when they did it, what they did, put in some quotes, and maybe even tell readers what they should do. The first thing you're going to start with is a headline. My idea yesterday, my headline was Spooky Skeleton Seen Scaring. So I'm going to go ahead and put that into my writing. And there it is, Spooky Skeleton Seen Scaring at the top there. You've got a box, that's for a picture that you could put in. Let's look again at the work we've already done to help us with what to do next. Who did something? Well, I had 3 cheeky skeletons, where and when it happened, all around town, including the park and the zoo. What they did, hid and scared each other, made a mess in people's gardens. So I need to start turning those things that they did into sentences to warn people reading the newspaper about the skeletons. And I had 3 cheeky skeletons were heard last night causing mischief and scaring each other. And then I wanted to put a quote in as well. So I made up a person, I called him Mr. Pickles. But Mr. Pickles, who lives near the park, let's put another comma in there, said, I wondered what all the commotion was. When he looked outside, he saw a dog skeleton back to front and 2 other skeletons singing. Have a go at your newspaper article today. All you need to do is your headline, explain something about the skeletons, and then go into more detail about all the different things they got up to. It would be a really good idea to look back in your pack from the work this week, and remember, when you've finished, read it through, check it makes sense. Leave my example up, it might be a good thing to get you started. Good luck.